All right, here's a look at that photo. This one uploaded by Cheyenne Manowar. This was in the Union Lake area in Polk County, and there's the cleanup crew. A lot of tree damage, and as mentioned earlier, there could have been a few tornadoes embedded in those storms. National Weather Service meteorologists are surveying damage now to determine which were straight line winds that were hitting upwards of 96 miles per hour last night in Cooperstown. That was one measurement. And the rain was ridiculous out by Lake Sakakawea. Actual measurements of over 8 inches in places. Radar estimates here about 7.5. In our area, generally a 1/4 of an inch all the way up to 1 and 2 inches where the storms blew through parts of Lakes Country and the central Red River Valley. A few showers moving into Otter Tail County now. A brief heavy rain shower moving into the Fergus Falls area with a little bit of lightning. Otherwise, these are not necessarily bad storms as we head into the evening hours. That could change. And the reason is, well, we've got this cool pool of air over us here in the valley. It's 74 degrees, still muggy out there with a dew point of almost 70 degrees, providing that hazy look to the skies. 73 in Moorhead. We have temperatures in the 70s across eastern North Dakota, a warm spot, Cavalier at 79. The real warm air down to the south and east of us were the Twin Cities in the 90s. It's 86 Wadena and well into the 80s as well for Alexandria. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows this boundary right here. As we go through the evening hours, most of us will remain quiet. It's late tonight. Once again, folks, we'll see a line of storms form, this time in South Dakota into central Minnesota along that boundary between the cold pool and the warmer air here. And some of these storms that do form in the late night hours could be strong to severe hail. Gusty winds, again, will be the main threat. So we go through the late night hours. I paused this at 2 in the morning, showing storms moving out of northeast South Dakota into southern areas in Lakes Country out there. These will make their way to the north and east as we go through the overnight hours, exiting the region as we go into the 2 o'clock hour. We'll keep you updated there, but temperatures to start your day will be generally in the 60s to near 70, and we warm up only about 5 to 10 degrees again tomorrow. We'll see temperatures near 80, some sunshine. Can't rule out some thunder showers again tomorrow afternoon and evening, mainly in northwest Minnesota and along the international border. 1 or 2 may be strong, but we're not expecting widespread severe. By tomorrow evening, we quiet down a pinch. Temperatures tomorrow kind of meander right around those low 70s, and then we leap up to near 80 in the afternoon. Winds will be from a more refreshing northwesterly direction as we try to dry things out a little bit. 72 in Devil's Lake, 79 degrees in Detroit Lakes, with Wahpeton tomorrow at 79 degrees. Best chance at some 80-degree weather from Fargo and points south. Here's a look at the storms twisting their way through Harvey. Shayla, thanks for sharing that mothership photo with us. Here is a look at your forecast. Sunday, more hit and miss showers and storms. Temperatures in the 70s for most, an 80-degree day in Fargo. It gets hot as we go into the middle of next week. That's the 4th of July. 90s likely for many. A few storms Tuesday and Wednesday could be on the strong side. After that, we cool off a pinch late in the week.
All right. Thanks for the update.
You bet.